Namaste, yoga friends. My name is Doreen Foxwell, and I am coming to you with some news of an open house that we're going to have for potential children's yoga teachers. If you have always dreamed of being a children's yoga teacher, but maybe you couldn't afford to take a training, or maybe you did take a training, but you haven't started yet. Or if you just think the idea of being a children's yoga teacher is just something you've always wanted to do, this open house is for you. I have 19 years experience in building a children's yoga business in 5 different states and 4 different yoga studios that I have opened. And I am currently opening this opportunity up in the North Carolina area. So if this sounds like you, if you are interested in finding out more, you are welcome to message us, or you are more than welcome to come into our open house that day. Details will be in this post about it, and I so look forward to meeting you at our Children's Yoga Open House. Namaste. Have a great yoga day.